I said we're doing series, right? Okay, because we're doing series, what kind of issues do you think we might have with running in series in terms of oxygen concentrations, specific, on the oxygen and rich side? Think about what we're doing with the separation in series. So, we're taking out some oxygen on that first pass. When we get to the second pass, we different concentrations, right? So that may influence how much is taken out of the next one, right? So, in other words, the oxygen concentration out of the top one and bottom will probably be different. So, instead of taking them, I'm going to clarify with Dr. Ashley, I think we did actually change that. We used to just have them combined, but if you're running parallel, you can assume they're going to be the exact same if it's the exact same everything else. So you could just run them combined and take the combined flow rate. So because we're doing series, we're going to have to do the oxygens individually. So you can have one or the other side venting to the atmosphere while we're doing it. So that's just taking the point and flipping it to the open end. So if you want the top one, if you want to read the top one, you need to vent the bottom one. Read the bottom one, vent the top one. So you're taking two of these readings. Okay? So don't forget to make sure you vent the one, and also note which one you're venting because you're reading the opposite tube. That's easy to get backwards, and then when you look at your data, you're like, shit, why does it not make any sense? That's the other thing I forgot. We're actually taking two of these readings per condition. Okay? Alright, I think that's it. I know the system was kind of complicated, but any other questions? And again, we can, after we're done, we can always go back over, take pictures, we can talk about it, whatever. So basically, when you're doing your pre-lab, you're going to have pictures of your unit, and you're going to have whatever schematics you draw. So you want to always make sure you have all the large parts. Again, like you're going to have your regulator and the gas tank. You're going to have the system itself with all your flow paths. You're going to have your meters, the flow meters. You're going to have the output and the pressure transducer. The other regulator, you have all these things. So you're basically going to have to go over your procedure, tell us where all the flow is going, where you're taking all the data, all that kind of stuff. We'll go back and forth between the schematic and the actual apparatus picture. So just make sure you have all this stuff. More important for y'all group because y'all starting this the next time. But if you have any questions, like we can go over again. But I think it's all I got for this one. Oh, not bad. About 30 minutes between. That's good. All right, one more. Just one more.